Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. Our staff was really excited to hear about the great job we've done. We strive to provide the best service around, and we pride ourselves in the highest quality. It's our guarantee. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.